Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will be learning linking data and spreadsheet. In this video, you will learn how to link different worksheets and different workbooks. So let's get started. So this is my workbook in which I have some data for students where I have marks for PA1, PA2 and midterm. Now I want to add these marks on this sheet 2. So for this, you need to link the worksheets, right? So that if you are changing anything here, it gets updated in sheet 2 as well. Got it? So now what you need to do, go to the sheet where you want to apply the function here. So I'm writing sum because I want to add all the marks. Starting bracket and click on the sheet. So here I have sheet 1. Select the range, whatever you want to add. Got it? And press the enter. After selecting, press enter. So as you can see here, I am getting total of marks for Amit, 2367. Now, if I'm changing this 100 to 50, so let me check whether it is changing. Yes, the total is changing. So this shows that my sheet 1 and sheet 2 are linked together with this formula, and if you are changing in the values, then it will, the result or the sum will automatically update it, right? Now, if you will copy this formula down, so it will take the values according to from this sheet. Got it? So this is the linking, and I have done this linking with mouse. You can directly type the formula also. For example, you do not want to use selection, or you do not want to use your mouse. So what you need to do, let me just erase this. What you will do here, you just write the function, and first you need to write in this single inverted comma the sheet. So this is my sheet 1, and close this, then exclamatory sign and the range, right? So for range, I need to check it. Range is E5 to G5. Okay, so here I will write E5 to G5. So this is the way from which you can use the references with keyword as well. Got it? Now, this is the linking of worksheets in single workbook, in one workbook. But when you want to connect or link different workbooks, then what you need to do? First, you need to open the workbook. So I have this sheet. In this, I have this family A expenses. Then I have this second workbook in which I have family B expenses. And in third workbook, I want to calculate the total expenses. So in this, I will link 3 workbooks. Okay. So here I am typing sum 1, starting bracket, then go to the workbook. Now here, click on this and go back to the workbook where you are applying the formula. So here, put comma, then go to the second workbook, family B, then go back to the source. And now I have taken all the workbooks. Now close this. So here I am getting the total expenses. So family A 25,000, family B 30,000, and the total is 55,000. So in this way, I can link different workbooks also. Same that we have done in worksheet, we can type this formula and I can work with keyboard also. As you can see, in inverted comma and in square brackets, it is written the workbook name, then sheet, then the range, then comma, second workbook name, sheet, then the range. Here you can see it is using this dollar sign. This represents that this is a absolute reference and this is a fixed reference. Whenever you are linking workbooks, we always prefer to use absolute references. Got it? So I hope you understand this concept. Practice this, and if you have any problem, you can write in comment box. Keep learning. Thank you very much.